Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Sports TV. Are you excited for the 2025 National Games of the People's Republic of China? We will take you to watch these games. What's the highlight today, Abby?
Peter, the highlight must be kinball. Let's recognize the achievement of kinball teams in China and Hong Kong. Recently, the Hong Kong kinball team won a silver medal at the Asian Kinball Championship, highlighting their talent and teamwork.
Yes, we're so proud of our athlete. With more players joining and dedicated coaches, the future of kinball in our region looks promising.
Welcome to Sports TV. We are interviewing some audience members before the competitions. Let's go!
Hello, let me talk to some audience here. Hi, may I ask you some questions about the competition?
Sure,
What is your name?
it's Tom.
What about your feelings now?
I'm feeling excited. It's my favorite sport.
Which team do you support? Solidarity, Wolf or Fox?
Solidarity, of course. I have followed this team for a long time and they have good team chemistry.
Thank you.
Let's find another audience member. Hello, we are from Sports TV. Hi there, young lady. What's your name?
I'm Carrie from Ningpo College. It's my first time watching a live competition. I can't wait.
Oh, how old are you? Are you a fan of sports?
I'm 12 years old. I don't usually watch sports, but I got encouraged by my school's recent mini competitions about the National Games of China. I started to become more interested in this big event, so I asked my mom to bring me here.
Wow, enjoy the show.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Time is almost up. The competition will start in 3 minutes. Now we will pass the time to our commentator Emma and Peter. Welcome back to Sports TV. Here are Emma and Peter, and we are about to watch the 2025 National Games of the People's Republic of China.
The kinball competition has already started.
Kinball's rules are very simple. 1 to 2 people are responsible for dribbling the ball. If 3 people touch it, the game stops. Only when 4 people touch it at the same time can it be hit.
Also, teamwork is the most important part of kinball. Teammates positioning, ball receiving timing, dribbling position, and who is responsible for hitting all require cooperation among 4 players. Oh, Emma, I saw some comments asking what Omnikin means.
Omnikin is like Uno. You shout it when you're winning. In kinball, it's the French attack called Omnikin plus color. The term omni means all, and kin refers to the brand's soft, safe kinball equipment. Solidarity Mary is using her shin to hit the center point of the kinball.
No, it's a pity. Solidarity's Nuna made a mistake, and the kinball touched the floor. The other 2 teams scored points.
That's crazy. Solidarity has made almost no mistakes. It seems they've been preparing for good results over the past few months.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm thrilled to announce that our champion team is Solidarity. Congratulations!
The competition is over. Now I'm going to interview the audience about their experience. How do you feel now, girl?
I feel very excited. This game is very intense.
Wow, I must say that the atmosphere of this competition is fantastic and everyone is very dedicated.
What do you think was the reason for the winning team's success and the opponent's defeat?
The winning team had good teamwork. It's all hard work. The other group may have had different opinions, so their cooperation wasn't as strong. But I think they are still glorious, despite the defeat.
Thank you, Ms. Swan and Kara, for sharing your thoughts. I believe hearing from the audience makes everyone even more eager to hear from the athletes who have given their all out on the field.
Hello! Sorry to interrupt, Emily. We are live with the winning kinball team. Isn't it exciting? Oh, hi! Congratulations to the members of Solidarity. We are from Sports TV.
Thank you, Abby. Hello, audience from Sports TV.
I think everyone is eager to hear about your favorite athlete. What do you think is the most important factor in today's achievement?
First of all, it must be diligence. We practice at least 3 hours every day and do exercise like jogging in the morning to enhance our physical health and fitness.
Second, perseverance. As full-time athletes, we dedicate a lot of time to sports every day. Training can be exhausting, so we need strong determination and perseverance to keep up. The most important aspect of winning in a team game is unity, which is the origin of our team name. Good communication is essential for scoring more points in games.
True. Besides intelligence, we also need perseverance and unity in our daily lives.
Thank you, Solidarity, for sharing your meaningful insights with us. Let's say goodbye to our friends in front of the camera.
Bye!
We will be back after this commercial break. Stay tuned.